You know those recipes that just feel like summer? The ones that are light, fresh, a little fancy, but take almost no effort. That's exactly what today's recipe is all about. Peach and burrata salad. It's creamy, it's juicy, it's salty sweet magic on a plate. And the best part, you can make it in under 10 minutes. This dish is perfect for picnics, brunch, or when you want something that looks elegant but secretly takes zero effort. Here's what we'll need. 2 ripe peaches. Not rock hard but not mushy either. Sweet, juicy, and perfect. 1 ball of burrata. If mozzarella is the everyday cheese, burrata is the weekend getaway. Creamy on the inside, soft on the outside. It's cheese royalty. A couple handfuls of arugula, or any fresh greens. Peppery arugula gives that nice contrast. A sprinkle of toasted nuts, walnuts, almonds, or even pecans. Totally optional, but they bring crunch and a little earthy depth. Olive oil, the good kind, because with simple recipes, every ingredient matters. A drizzle of honey or balsamic glaze for sweetness. And finally, fresh basil, sea salt, and cracked black pepper to tie it all together. Simple ingredients, but together, absolute harmony. Let's start with the peaches. Slice them into wedges. Not too thin, not too chunky. Peaches are the star here, so make sure they're ripe and juicy. You want that natural sweetness to balance the creaminess of the burrata. Quick tip: if your peaches aren't perfectly ripe, you can grill them for a minute or two. That little bit of char brings out all the sugars and adds a smoky vibe. But honestly, in peak summer, fresh is unbeatable. Next, grab your serving plate or platter and scatter the arugula. Think of it as the canvas for your summer masterpiece. The peppery bite of arugula is what keeps this salad from tasting like dessert. It balances the sweetness and richness. If you don't like arugula, feel free to swap with mixed greens, baby spinach, or even microgreens for a fancy touch. Now, let's talk about burrata. Place it right in the middle of your greens, like the crown jewel of the salad. And here's the fun part. When you cut into burrata, the creamy center spills out and coats everything in silky goodness. It's like nature's dressing. If you can't find burrata, fresh mozzarella works too, but trust me, burrata takes it to a whole other level. Time to add the peaches. Arrange the slices around the burrata, almost like sun rays. Scatter your toasted nuts on top for crunch. Then drizzle generously with olive oil and a touch of honey or balsamic glaze. The combination of sweet peaches, salty creamy burrata, peppery greens, and nutty crunch. It's like a summer symphony on a plate. Don't forget a few fresh basil leaves. Tear them by hand. Don't chop them. It keeps the flavor delicate and aromatic. Now, season with sea salt and cracked black pepper. This tiny step elevates everything. Salt enhances the sweetness of the peaches. Pepper adds a subtle heat, and suddenly, this simple salad tastes restaurant-worthy. Stand back for a second and look at it. Doesn't it feel like something you'd de-order at a cafe on a warm summer afternoon? But here's the secret. You made it in less than 10 minutes. This salad is incredible on its own, but if you want to take it up a notch, serve it with crusty bread to scoop up all that burrata cream. It also pairs beautifully with grilled chicken, salmon, or even as part of a brunch spread with mimosas. Honestly, it's one of those dishes that makes people think you've put in way more effort than you actually have. And there you have it. Peach and burrata salad. Sweet, salty, creamy, crunchy, and 100% summer vibes on a plate. This is proof that sometimes the best recipes are the simplest ones. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Platter Pulse, and share this video with your fellow food lovers. Tell me in the comments, what's your ultimate summer salad combo? Maybe we'll try it here next time. Until then, keep it fresh, keep it simple, and keep those summer flavors alive.